My name is Oskar Jacunski. I am a doctor of integrative medicine, a doctor of humanitarian services, registered nurse, health coach, and Reiki master. Before the stem cells, I was struggling a lot with my back pain because I have to sit pretty frequently during meetings, during treatments, and even when I had to just drive, anything more than 30 minutes would hurt my back. And I would have some bloating, some issues with my gut. And because of all the inflammation in my body, I just felt very lethargic all the time. So I would wake up groggy, tired, go to work, groggy, tired. Then my back pain would kick in, and then my stomach pain would kick in. And it was just a cycle of all those things. And sometimes I had difficulty sleeping, even though I was tired. And now, after the stem cell infusion, it's been 1 month since then, and I sleep better. I actually do have a ring that measures my sleep quality, and it has tremendously improved. So that's good because sleeping is one of the most important things for general health. So improving that is great. And then, of course, I have more energy. I'm able to sit in the car for up to an hour before my back pain starts. Same thing at work. And I just don't wake up as groggy anymore. I wake up happier. I wake up with more energy. And it's only been a month. So who knows what's going to come next? Is my back pain going to diminish more? Am I going to be able to drive and sit for longer periods of time? Is my stomach going to feel better? Is my mindset going to be better? It's all positive things. So I agreed to the IV infusion of the stem cells. I've never been to Colombia. When I first heard about it, I was wondering, what's the country like? Is it safe, of course? And is it beautiful and all this stuff? To my surprise, it was even more safe and beautiful than I imagined. Everyone was super friendly. So just that being there in this beautiful country was healing already, because everyone is happy, beautiful environment, lots of nature. And then I met with Brian and the team, and same thing, beautiful people, really kind people, and you can automatically tell that they're just so genuine and so passionate about what they do, and that gave me a lot of reassurance. And then the nurse got the needle in the first time, painless. They had like the magic touch. And then the doctor set up the infusion and they started it. During the infusion, it was absolutely painless. And then I don't know if this was a placebo effect or not, but right afterwards, I just felt like full of energy. And I said, oh man, I want to go out and explore. And they said, no, you have to relax. We have to observe you for a little bit after. Yeah, I really do feel like my mind, body, and soul were all healed through this experience, because you have the environment, you have the people, you have the treatment. I'm feeling really positive about the outcomes, and it's exciting. It's really exciting. So what I really like about Brian and the team and the way Human Wellness Centers approaches the stem cells, infusions, and the treatments is that they have complementary modalities. So it's not like you get the treatment done, all right, goodbye. No. They stay with you. They talk you through the process. They tell you how you want to preserve the stem cells. You want to avoid smoking, drinking alcohol, the sedentary lifestyle. And then they have these complementary things like hyperbaric oxygen chambers, which are not that scary, actually. I thought I would be uncomfortable in it. I thought my claustrophobia would kick in. But because it's a glass screen, you don't feel like you're trapped inside. And it was a very nice, soothing, relaxing experience. And I had a lot of red meat in Colombia to boost the stem cells, which I thought was beneficial. And of course, the quality of the food in Colombia is fantastic. And they also talked about how important it is to exercise and get the quality sleep. And, now that I have these new stem cells in my body, they're like my babies. And I want to take care of my babies. And that's why I make 110% effort to eat right, to sleep enough, to keep my stress as minimal as possible, because just like a mother takes care of her baby, I am now taking care of millions of babies inside me. So the whole experience is like a reset, because like, okay, now I have new cells, now I have an opportunity to change my life. Now I have more of a reason to be mindful of everything that I do, because now I have something to take care of. And as I take care of it, I'm going to keep feeling better, and that perpetuates the cycle of taking care of them, and they take care of me.